Living Lifers, we're at it again. We're at Lakeshore Park in Lake Chelan, Washington, doing wine tasting and other things. This park, man, it was crazy this time. We had windstorms, uh, trees were falling on units. We went to our favorite restaurant, Albatross, which is affiliated with Karma. There was a big car show that happened during this trip as well. It was crazy. I could say the weather was truly schizophrenic, but we still had fun. You throw food and wine in the mix, and we're about it. But yeah, this video is we're gonna go to 4 wineries, and if you go to Lake Chelan every year, you need to try out the different wineries. Of course, we have our favorites that we have to go to, but we try to throw in the mix some new wineries that we haven't done. The Cove is right across the street from the RV park, and it is known for its wine and its games. So you can go there, you can play games, and drink wine or drink cider. We went into the Cove, but it wasn't the experience we were looking for, so we went somewhere else. Excuse me. Cardeas, Cairdeas, is one of our favorite wineries, and we had to go there. And we are there now with Michelle. She's bossing us around, of course, which is fine. She also hooked us up with our dinner at Albatross, because if you don't get a reservation on a weekend, not happening. And then also we went to Lagrioth, Lagrioth winery. It's also affiliated with the farm. In the video now, we are actually leaving the Cove because we decided not to stay, and now we're at Lagrioth, which is a very nice winery. And then we finished it off with Radiance. So please enjoy the video, like and subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, I got a channel called Living Life. Hey, Jackson.
Hey, Jackson. This came from camp.
All right.
Kirby.
All right, Living Life is. Look, she just said that she likes the interaction between the good-looking guys.
It's so good, huh?
Why we had to put good looking in there?
It's all about creating relationships.
Yeah, exactly.
You didn't say nothing about good looking.
Exactly.
What do you mean? And then so I'm doing an old school. Was it 3 birds? I think she has 3 kids, 3 boys, right? 3 boys. And so we're doing this.
Pasta. Got some chores to do later.
Oh, hey, I was looking.
You guys have a restaurant?
Fred, they say just go around the tree.
On the orchard.
They say they need the acidity.
We have to tell the boys. They can't go on the farm anymore. You have to use a bathroom. So this is what they look like, unwashed.
Oh, those are pretty.
So is that a dozen?
These are 2 dozen.
Oh, it's 2 dozen. How much you selling for?
It's Phelps. She gets 2 dozen a week.
Yeah.
So as wine club members, it's $6.50 a dozen.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah. So we just kind of get them in there, and then they go in the flower shed and pick up their.
So we were leaving Lagrioth, and she was telling us about the egg deal they had. They have a bunch of free range chickens. So during the crazy egg epidemic or pandemic, whatever you want to call it, they started selling eggs to their wine club members, and they had an assortment of colors. My wife, she gets eggs as well from a local farm, from a friend, coworker, farmer. And I tell you what, the eggshells are thicker. The yolk is brilliant, kind of an orange, brilliant color. A lot different than the eggs you buy in the store. But here we are. We are actually walking to another winery. This one is the one that Delinda wanted to do. It's called Radiance. And Radiance had like this crazy hot wing deal. It was really reasonable. The wines were excellent. This was one of Delinda's favorites. Like I said, we do a favorite, but we also try some different ones. The Lagrioth one was different, new anyway. We would definitely go back and do it again. So we're gonna go in here, get our wine on and our food. It's a little loud in here, so just bear with me, please. Thank you.
The blue cheese is for the fries and the wings.
Whatever. We want them on the side. So
It'll be on the side of the wings.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and then I want to do the morning tasting and then get up voting.
Man, everybody. All right, to all my living life gearheads, I am taking a stroll from the campground. It's not very far from the actual city proper, downtown Lake Chelan. They have a car show. They basically shut down the city and allow all the cars, the classic cars, the cars are going to be in the car show. I can't say they're all classic because there were some cars in there that were modern. There was a lot of modern day Corvettes, that type of thing. But we're taking a quick little walk to get to the car show. This is me. Lee was already down there. And I just wanted to show you my pathway to the car show. During the car show, I'm just going to probably play music and let you salivate over some of these beautiful, beautiful classic cars. You can tell in the video, if you want to comment below, let me know which cars were my favorite. I won't tell you the secret. You'll see it. It'll probably be pretty, you'll be able to see right away which ones are my favorite. I tell you what, I really enjoyed the car show. I couldn't have believed there were so many cars there. But, you know, if you like the old Fords, old Chevys, you know, the modern day Corvettes, you know, they had a Viper there. They had a bunch of different cars there. I'm just going to shut up now and just let you enjoy the car show because I thought it was really great and it was something I would definitely do again. All right, so enjoy. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you shortly. Man, they got one car, girl. I want it so bad. I told her I'd trade him. I said I'll trade him a wife and a motorhome. He said, man, he said, look, he get one of them, he definitely ain't gonna be able to get no new car or fix up another car. Let me get these studs
watch,
right here.
wait.
What's your names?
Randy.
Randy?
Randy.
Randy and Randy? I'm saying Randy.
Hi, Sam.
Randy's, how you guys?
Hey, nice to
Randy
meet
Square, nice to meet you too.
All right.
Uh-huh.
That's his Mustang right
Yeah, oh,
Take a
oh,
picture of that.
oh, yeah, I will.
there. Thank you.
This is beautiful. What's up? I was gonna say, hey black guy, how you doing? I was gonna holler at you for a minute. Then I realized who you were. Let's see that Corvette right there? That's a bad Met, boy. This is a bad one too. This might be in my future. In my future, Leva. I like to get rid of the boat, the motorhome. I can't have too many hobbies. Hey, you know what? I got a wife for that. That's bad. Z06, ZS1. Is this the this carbon fiber? Is this carbon fiber? Is this carbon fiber?
Body?
Yeah.
No.
I think aren't they making them now? Oh, composite. Yeah. Man, I like
carbon
these.
fibers.
Oh yeah, on
See
this
that
side.
woven stuff?
Yeah.
That's carbon fiber.
Yeah. Man, that's crazy.
This right here, the seats,
Uh-huh.
right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful car.